How are you doing, students? I hope you're doing well. Let's learn today the Animals ABC Part 3. Listen and repeat. Arctic wolf. A is for Arctic wolf. Beaver. B is for beaver. Chameleon. C is for chameleon. Chimpanzee. C is for chimpanzee. Dog. D is for dog. Dove. Dove. E is for elk. Elk. Flamingo. F is for flamingo. Gorilla. G is for gorilla. H is for hamster. Hamster. I is for impala. Impala. J is for jackal. Jackal. K is for Komodo. Komodo. L is for leopard. Leopard. Lizard. Lizard. Llama. Llama. M is for monkey. Monkey. N is for newt. Newt. O is for orangutan. Orangutan. P is for parrot. Parrot. Panda. Panda. Peacock. Peacock. Pook. Pook. Q is for quetzal. Quetzal. R is for rat. Rat. S is for sleuth. Sleuth. Squirrel. Squirrel. Stork. Stork. T is for toucan. Toucan. U is for eukarry. Eukarry. V is for vulture. Vulture. Vizcacha. Vizcacha. W is for woodpecker. Woodpecker. Wolverine. Wolverine. X is for xanthus. Xanthus. Y is for yellow-belly slider turtle. Yellow-belly slider turtle. Z is for zebra finch. Zebra finch.